Welcome guys. In this video, I would like to share about how to schedule multiple social media posts in one place. So, I would like to introduce a web-based application allowing users to manage multiple social media accounts and platforms, which is Hootsuite. What is Hootsuite? Hootsuite is one of many tools referred to as a social media management system or tool. It helps you keep track and manage your many social network channels. It can enable you to monitor what people are saying about your brand and help you respond instantly. So, let us start it. Go to the Chrome and search for Hootsuite and click enter. Choose the second one. It will link to the official website, so we hover the mouse to the plan and then click to this logo, and then we hover the mouse again to this one and then click this one, free for individual. So we sign up for free plan. Click no thanks, I want the free plan. So enter your name, email address, then password. And then click create my free account. After create new account, we go to the sign in page and sign in. Then click sign in. It will link to the dashboard, and then we click get started and then add social network. Choose the social network you want to connect. After connected, back to the dashboard and click get started. For example, I connect the Instagram, so click on the Instagram and then click next. Add to dashboard. Besides that, you can also add a new stream. For example, I choose on printer one and then click on my stream, and then you can add the post by clicking this icon and then select a social network you want to post. For example, I tick only printer and then leaving some text. Okay, you can add the media from browse your media. Then close the media library. It will show the preview of the post. Then you can choose schedule for letter or post now. I will demonstrate the schedule for letter. So choose the date you want to post to schedule. For example, 9 and then 8 o'clock night, and then click done and then click schedule. It will automatically post the post when 9 September 8 o'clock. Furthermore, you can add the page you want to show. For example, I want to show the home page of the printer, so I click on this home. It will automatically add the string. So I can see the home page of the printer without opening the printer official website. Besides that, in case you want to view the scheduled post, you can click on this icon and then choose the network you want to view. For example, I choose on printer and then click on condense. It will show the post that your schedule set before, so you can edit the post before the post is posted. Then save edit. You can also delete the schedule post by clicking this mouse option and click on delete. Other than that, if you want to quickly to make a new post on many platforms of social media, you can hover the mouse to this icon and click on create post and then select a social network you want to post to, for example Twitter and Instagram, and giving some text. Browse your media, add the image to the post, then close the media library. You will see that the preview of the post on the Twitter platform and Instagram platform. So you can click on post now. It will automatically post the post onto two platforms, which are Instagram and Twitter. That's all. Thank you.